Welcome to Bike Plus. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated comebacks in the Indian automobile industry, the all-new Tata Sumo Victa. After years of dormancy, Tata Motors has reignited nostalgia with a modern twist. The legendary Sumo is back, and this time, it's sharper, tougher, and built to meet today's demands. Design and exterior, rugged yet refined. The new Tata Sumo Victa has undergone a complete design overhaul while preserving its iconic boxy silhouette. Its bold front grille, sharper LED headlamps, and muscular stance command attention. Raised ground clearance, aggressive wheel arches, and skid plates add to its off-road appeal. Tata has clearly focused on retaining its utility-driven roots while introducing a fresh, urban-friendly look. Interior and features, comfort meets practicality. Inside, the Sumo Victa promises more than just space. The cabin is significantly upgraded with premium fabric seats, a new digital infotainment system, and improved ergonomics. Expect modern features like touchscreen controls, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, USB charging ports, and a redesigned dashboard. Tata has paid close attention to comfort for both city drives and long hauls, especially in the second and third row seating. Performance and engine, built for Indian roads. Under the hood, the new Sumo Victa is expected to sport a refined 2.2L diesel engine, possibly borrowed and upgraded from the Tata Safari platform. With BS6 compliance, better fuel efficiency, and torque-rich performance, it's tailor-made for rough terrains and heavy-duty usage. There are talks of both manual and automatic transmission options, catering to a broader audience. Its ladder-on-frame chassis ensures durability on uneven terrains, a hallmark of the original Sumo. Safety and technology, modern and dependable. Tata Motors has stepped up safety with the new Victa. Dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a reinforced body shell are expected to come standard. Higher variants may also feature hill hold assist and electronic stability control, making it safer than ever before. Final thoughts: a legend reimagined. The Tata Sumo Victa is more than a car, it's a revival of a legacy. Whether you're a fan of its history or just looking for a reliable, spacious SUV, the new Victa looks set to deliver. Stay tuned to Bike Plus for more updates, reviews, and a detailed test drive coming soon.